What up, though? This is April Prayer, criminal defense attorney from Chicago, the Justice Junkie. And today's topic is 5 questions to ask your public defender or private attorney. And before I go any further, yes, public defenders are real attorneys with real law degrees. They actually took and passed the bar, and they got real student loans to back it up. How do I know? Because I used to be one. So let's go. Number 1, what am I charged with? A lot of times people know why they were initially stopped or initially arrested, but then don't know the additional charges that were tacked on after that arrest. And it's important that you know what you're facing. Number 2, how much time am I looking at? That's crucial to know whether you're looking at 1 to 3, 6 to 30, somewhere in between, or no jail time at all. And your public defender is definitely the person to ask. Number 3, what is it you think I need to know about this particular judge? Some judges are really hard on gun cases, but not so much on drug cases. Others are super hard on drug cases, but care less about financial crimes. You need to know which type of judge you are standing in front of and what their views are on sentencing. Number 4, what do you suggest I do? A jury, a bench trial, or plead guilty? This is important because you're sitting with the expert who has done dozens, if not hundreds of cases like this, and they can say, I think these facts work best in front of a jury, or no, wow, this is a legal issue. It should really be heard by the judge. Or the prosecution really made you a really sweet deal and you won't get that if you lose a trial, so you really might want to consider it now. These are conversations to have with your attorney before you make any decisions, and to consider their opinion, not your buddy who spends all his time in the law library because he's been locked up 4 or 5 times. Lastly, you want to know whichever option you choose, what does that look like? What does a plea look like? What types of questions will the judge be asking me? What does a trial look like? Will it take 2 hours or will it take 2 days? These are the questions that you want to present to the expert, the public defender, or the private attorney who is working with you on your case, because you are in good hands. You have their great judgment that you can trust and rely on. So hopefully this was helpful. I find that a lot of times people come into my office and they don't even know where to begin in terms of asking questions of an attorney. They've never had an attorney before and they really feel lost. So hopefully this gave you some direction. Good luck.